Hello, welcome to Pedal Savings. My name is Rosie and I am a cash budgeter that uses a cash envelope system for her finances. Today we will be unstuffing my savings challenges in here, my monthly savings challenges, and seeing how much we saved this past month. So 2025 savings, we always save 45 because it's a set amount. So okay, so Stupid Cupid, we saved. Also, I will be taking these savings challenges out and replacing them with March's savings challenges. So Stupid Cupid, we saved $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10. And put that over there. Okay, Flower Power. Oh, let me put 10. Flower Power. Then Love Letters. Okay, Flower Power. So I don't really care if we don't finish the savings challenge because these are basically seasonal to me, and yeah, but all of these savings challenges will be up on my Etsy. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We saved 17 in Flower Power. That's nice. Okay, Love Letters. Love Letters won't be on my Etsy. It will be on my Ko-fi as a freebie. You could get this as a printable and print it out at home. So Love Letters, we saved $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10. So altogether, we saved 4, 5 plus 10 plus 17 plus 10. We saved $82, but I want to see how much of that money came from leftovers. So let's go back into our binder. Let me move some of this stuff over. Okay, so savings 7 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. 32 of that. Wow. So let's put leftovers 32. Okay, so out of the $82 that we've saved, I want to reallocate some stuff. Where's my highlighter? Okay, so we will be reallocating Stupid Cupid, Flower Power, and Love Letters. So that's going to be 10, 17, and 10. We will be reallocating $37 into I wrote the categories last night on a sheet of paper. I don't know where that sheet of paper is. Oh, here it is. Okay, so wedding, apartment, Derek, emergency, Rosie Art Studio, and Christmas. So let us reallocate that. Wedding is going to get 10, apartment 10, Derek 5, emergency 5, Rosie Art Studio 3, and Christmas 4. So let's get my binders and put that money in. Okay, so here's my high priority savings binder. Gotta fix it. So let's put $10 in wedding. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in wedding. Make sure I write it down, or else I'm gonna be like, where did this money come from? Plus 10 equals 292. Okay, let's put that money in here. I had to get some 100s because this thing is about to break. Okay. Apartment, it's gonna get $10 as well. 227 plus 10 equals 184. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 71, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. Awesome. I gotta get some 100s for that too. Okay, Derek is gonna get $5 because I want to try refill his binder, well, his envelope again. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because we used his money on Valentine's for his Valentine's gift, and then he used 25 for the gun show. And then emergency is gonna get 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's put in 2/27 plus 5. So now it has 50. Let us fill this in. Okay, and then let's go into my pink binder. Where is it? Where's my pink binder? Here it is. Okay, so So Rosie Arts, oh, Christmas. Christmas is gonna get 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 227 plus 4 equals 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. I want to try to fill this up more now so that I don't have to worry about it in the long run. Okay, Rosie Art Studio. Okay. So 227 plus 3 equals 3. It's gonna get the last $3. Okay. And that's it. It's going to be it for today. I will see you guys in my next video. It's probably going to be a cash planning video. I don't know yet. I haven't checked the schedule. I usually write down in my budgeting binder what videos will be coming out soon. But I will see you guys next time. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. As always, my savings challenges and anything you see on my channel will be up on my Etsy. My freebies, like the love letters, will be up on my Ko-fi. And it's going to be it for today. Have a great day. Bye.